For most dogs, kennel cough is generally unserious and can be treated with rest and medication, but in some rare cases, it could cause life-threatening illness. Two of the cases in the western New York area were identified at Camp Bow Wow, a doggy daycare and boarding center in Tonawanda. Mark LUCZAK is the owner and says they will often go for months without a case and then get a few, especially around the summer when dogs are out and interacting with each other more often.
People might not be as stringent on making sure their kennel cough is up to date.
If your dog does catch kennel cough, LUCZAK said there's no need to panic.
Generally not serious, more of an annoyance than anything else with the cough. But
while a cough is the most obvious sign your dog is sick, it isn't the only one. But LUCZAK said that most symptoms are physical and easy to spot.
Eyes, runny eyes, discharge from the nose, those are the primary ones. A lot of times you won't see any change in behavior.
To be on the safe side, vets often want any dogs with kennel cough to get on some medication.
A lot of times the vets will do an antibiotic just as a precaution to prevent a secondary infection.
LUCZAK did stress that most dogs who catch it will be totally fine after a week or so, but it's still important to watch them carefully as they recover.
99% of the time it's just like a cold where it just needs to run its course. But for younger dogs or elderly dogs who maybe don't have the immune built up, you just have to watch for a secondary infection you don't want it to turn into pneumonia or something like that.
Now, the best practice if you think your dog has kennel cough is to keep them home and away from other dogs. You should also get into the vet as soon as possible. On your side in the newsroom, Natalie Foss, Channel 2 News.